Okay. For the final two slides, the analysis of spelling skills. When an examiner is analyzing the results of a spelling subtest, the examiner should ask questions like, does the child have sufficient mental ability to learn to spell? Are the child's hearing, speech, and vision adequate? What is the child's general level of spelling ability according to teacher comments, past evaluations, or standardized tests? And then the teacher can offer information to the support group or parents about the child's attitude towards spelling in class, the extent to which a child relies on a dictionary, the extent of spelling errors in the classroom, and in written work that the student turns in, patterns of procrastination of homework, history of scores on spelling tests, any observable handwriting difficulties, and any evidence of fatigue. And finally, the last slide, spelling errors primarily due to auditory and visual channel deficits. So for spelling errors that are evident in students with auditory channel deficits, auditory substitution problems or cultural problems occur, which when the child might substitute T for D. Auditory discrimination problems in which the child confuses vowels. Auditory acuity or discrimination problems in which the child does not hear subtle differences in or discriminate between sounds and often leaves vowels out of two-syllable words. And auditory visual discrimination problems, auditory visual association problems in which the child uses a synonym in spelling, and auditory visual associative memory in which the child takes wild guesses with little or no relationship between the words or letters used and the spelling words dictated. Spelling errors are also evident in students with visual channel deficits, such as memory problems, in which the child visualizes the beginning and ending of words but omits the middle of words. Visual memory sequences, the child gives the correct letters but in the wrong sequence. Visual discrimination problems, the child inverts letters, writing U for N or M for W. And visual memory, in which the child spells words phonetically that are non-phonetic in configuration. For example, spelling T-U-F-F for the word tough, which is T-O-U-G-H. And that is it for my half. Thank you so much.